This is Tiffany, and welcome back to Tea with Tiffany, where I share daily financial wisdom and trending market analysis. Remember to like and share and leave your tea and comments down below. So, on to our daily financial wisdom of the day. Once you have learned to truly listen to the markets, anything is possible. And we're going to see how true that is. But first, we're going to quickly do our talk about our 4 rules of trading. First rule of trading is to make sure you pay yourself first. Second rule of trading is to drop that stop loss in at your entry point once that trade takes off. Third rule of trading is our 50-period simple moving average, and whenever that's positioned in between the 200 and 500, that is our no buy, no sell zone. And our fourth rule of trading is patience. Okay, so let's take a look at EUR USD. Now, this particular market has been a rule number 3 market for quite a while. But it looks like our 50-period moving average is getting ready to move out of the danger zone. So we want to be primed and ready to jump on that when that happens. So we'll let you know. GBP USD. This is another rule number 3 market. No buy, no sell. USD CHF. This is a sell market. We've been selling for quite a while. We got our sell order in there probably since, I would say, March of this year. We got our sell order in there. We've been paying ourselves every since, and our stop loss is in at our entry point. So all is good, and we're on cruise control there. USD JPY. Rule number 3, market friends, no buy, no sell. We stay out of the danger zone. EUR CHF. Okay, friends, this was a market that we had bought into probably October of last year when that trend changed. So we always trade with the trend. If it says buy, we buy. If it says sell, we sell. So we bought into this market October of last year. Since then, now currently, for those who are not already in this market, rule number 3 is in effect. No buy, no sell. You missed your window. Everyone else who bought in this market back in October, we're going to be paying ourselves, and we do have our stop loss in at our entry point. So in the event everything heads south, it'll knock us out of the market. It'll hit our stop loss at our entry point. We're out. No big deal. No loss, okay? And that's the way we like to trade. EUR GBP. This is a sell market, friends. We placed our sell order in, I would say, I don't know, about 2 weeks ago, and now we're seeing positive results. Things are heading south, so we're going to make sure we pay ourselves, and we're going to drop that stop loss in at the entry point. Don't forget to drop that stop loss in, friends, because you don't want to get hung up there, okay? EUR JPY. And then once we drop that stop loss in at the entry point, you're on cruise control. You just sit back and pay yourselves every day. Okay, EUR JPY. This is a market we bought into. This is a buy market. We bought into this market. I would probably say maybe March or so. And we've just been paying ourselves and riding. We're going to see how long we can ride this trend. Our trade's protected because we have our stop loss in at our entry point. GBP CHF. Okay, friends, now this was a market. This was a sell market way back when, probably June of last year. So like I've said, some of these markets can last up to 6 months to 2 years. I mean, if you get in early, you can ride these trends all the way down for a couple years and just paying yourself. Everything's on cruise control, and you just got your stop loss in, so you're protected. Now, since then, the trend has changed. It's changed to a buy market. We placed our buy order in. The market has not rallied really to even hit our buy, so we're just being patient, but we're still paying ourselves on that sell order from way back when. Okay, GBP JPY. Okay, friends, this is a buy market. I think we had a buy order in but the market pulled back, hit our stop loss at our entry point, knocked us out. But we're going to go back in and we're going to place another buy stop order in, okay? And let's see how that fares. Okay, so CHF JPY, another buy market. We bought into this market when that 50 period simple moving average moved out of the danger zone. And then when it moved out of the danger zone, it was a buy, and we jumped right in and we placed our buy order. And so we've been paying ourselves ever since from that decision, okay? So now let's take a look at these oil markets. So all of these oil markets have went from sell to buy to sell. Now it's back to buy. We placed our buy stop order in. Unfortunately, the market has not even rallied to even hit our buy order. So we're just being patient. Our orders are in there, primed and ready in the event that the market rallies. But so we just have to be patient. So that goes for Brent crude, Brent spot, WTI crude, and WTI spot. We just have to be patient and wait. Okay, so Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a rule number 3 market, no buy, no sell. ETH USD, another rule number 3 market, no buy, no sell. LTC USD, another rule number 3 market, no buy, no sell. So let us take a look at the silver market. The silver market was a market we bought into, probably September of last year. We placed our buy order in. Hopefully you guys got in. There's buying opportunities now if you want to go ahead and place your buy stop orders in. There's buy opportunities. You just got to make that commitment. Hopefully you made the commitment a while ago. And we like to get in. I can't speak enough for getting in when these trends change or when the 50 period simple moving average moves out of the danger zone. I cannot speak enough about getting in at those opportune times. Okay. Now let's take a look at the gold market. The gold market was also a market we had our buy order in. Unfortunately, the market, we had our stop loss in at our entry point. The market pulled back, hit our stop loss at our entry point, knocked us out the market, no loss. Okay. Now, if you want to go ahead and place another buy stop order in, do so. Okay. And if the market takes off, make sure you place that stop loss in at the entry point. USD MXN. This is a beautiful sell market. We got into this market, I don't know, 6, 7, 8 months ago. It's been a while. And we've just been writing this down. Right. I mean, it's the best thing ever. I cannot say, like I said, friends, I cannot say enough about trading within the trend. Okay. The market will always reward you. EURNOK. And so we're looking at win ratios probably 7 out of 10 times. We do take minor losses, maybe 2, 3 times a month, which is no big deal because we're paying ourselves every day. But for the most part, our win ratio is 7 out of 10 times. You're never going to be 10 out of 10, but a true, consistent, profitable trader is 7 out of 10 times. Okay. EURNOK. This is a buy market. We bought this market. We're paying ourselves. Now, just FYI, word to the wise, pullbacks are happening in this market. So I can't say enough. Make sure you got your stop loss at your entry point. Make sure you pay yourself nicely. In the event this market heads south, closes out your trade, then you're out. Okay. But it won't be with any losses. There's a lot of losses that we can control, friends, and that's what I'm speaking about. There are some losses where we cannot. There's some minor losses we cannot control, but for the most part, we can control making sure we do not take a lot of losses. Okay. EURZAR. This is a beautiful buy market. We bought into this market a long time ago. Just been paying ourselves on these markets. USD and NOK. This is also a buy market we bought into. The market pulled back on us, friends. So we're just going to have to be patient and see if the market will rally again. So two things is going to happen since our trade did trigger. Either if the market continues to pull back, and the trend changes, we'll just go ahead and take our minor loss. We will reposition and we will make our money back. But like this is just one of those, or the market is going to rally and then we'll make some money. But those are the two scenarios, and we don't have to worry. The market will tell us what will happen next. Either the trend's going to change or the market's going to rally. It's those two things, those two factors, okay? Okay, USD, SEK. Rule number 3, market, no buy, no sell. USD, SGD. Okay, friends, this is still a sell market. We actually have 2 sell orders in this market. We have a sell order that we placed way back when, probably October of last year, way back when. And so since then, the market went to a buy, but now it's back at a sell. So we went ahead and placed another sell order. So we're waiting to see if things will head south. So if the market heads south, we're going to be able to pay ourselves on a second sell trade, and we're going to drop that stop loss in at the entry point. Okay. CAD, CHF. This is also a beautiful sell market we sold long time ago. And it's just, this market is just basically on cruise control. We're just paying ourselves. We're just kicking back and just seeing how long we can ride this out. 2 years is a long time for some of these markets, okay? CAD, JPY. This is also another sell market we bought into. Now, for everyone who is currently not in this market, rule number 3 is in effect. You have missed your window. Everyone else who bought it, sold this market a while ago, you're paying yourselves. EURCAD. This is a beautiful buy market. We bought into this market a long time ago. And we're just basically on cruise control. Stop losses in at our entry point, and we're just like raking money in. We just pay ourselves every day. And we're able to do that because if you have a large enough account size, you're able to have a large lot size. So the lot size is based off your account balance. If you have a small account, you do not have the luxury to have a large lot size. So please beware of that. GBP, CAD. This is also a buy market that we bought into long time ago. Stop losses in at our entry point, and we're just paying ourselves. USD, CAD. This is a sell market, friends. Okay, so first of all, this was a buy market where we do have our buy order in that we bought into this. I would say, I don't know, October of last year, we had our buy order and we've just been paying ourselves off that buy order. But now the trend has changed to a sell. So we went ahead and we placed our sell order. And now things are heading south, friends. So we're going to be able to take profits for both of our trades that are in this market. And we're going to make sure that we got our stop loss in at our entry point. So we're going to be paying ourselves and our trades are protected. AUD, CAD. This is a sell market, friends. We sold this market. But now for everyone who did not get in, rule number 3 is in effect. You missed your window. Everyone else, pay yourselves. AUD, CHF. This is also a sell market. We placed our sell order in. We're paying ourselves. We have our stop loss in. I do see that there's some pullbacks happening in this market. So make sure you have your stop loss in at your entry point. So if things continue to go north, it's just going to knock you out the market. No loss, okay? But you did make some money. Okay, AUD, JPY. Sell. This was a sell market, friends. We have our sell order in there. Things are looking good. Now, for everyone else who did not get in this market, rule number 3 is in effect. No buy, no sell here, okay? AUD, NZD. Okay, friends, this is a sell market. We placed our sell order in here in this market. The market, it hit our trade, but then it pulled back. So we're just going to have to be patient with this market to see if things start to head south. Okay, patience. Okay. But this is a sell market, so no worries about that. The market is telling us it's a sell market. So we have our sell order, but there are some pullbacks. And we talked about pullbacks and what contributes to that. So there are a lot of different strings that are pulling on these countries' currency markets. And we as traders are not privy to all the ins and outs and happenings of what is happening in these countries, what's going on. And even if you did have a lot of facts, that does not necessarily tell you how to trade the market. Now, the market has compiled all the information from what's going on in the country in the charts. We have our bar graphs, and from the bar graphs, it will tell us whether or not this is a buy market or sell market. It's telling you what's happening in these countries. We just have to listen and we have to abide by what the charts tell us. We don't listen to news or other traders. We listen to what the market says, okay? It has all the facts. Okay, AUD, USD. Okay, this is also a sell market. Pullbacks have happened in this sell market, but we just have to be patient and wait to see if things will start to head back south again, okay? EUR, AUD. Beautiful buy market. We bought into this market long time ago, and we've just been paying ourselves, and hopefully you're paying yourself off of this market. EUR, NZD. This is also a buy market, friends. We bought this market and it's doing some pullbacks, but they're very minor. If you had your stop loss in, it probably knocked you out the market. So that's where we're at with this one here. On GBP AUD, this is also a buy market. We have our buy order in, but it pulled back on us, friends. It pulled back on us. We didn't get a chance to, when the market did rally a little bit, we did not put in a stop loss. So subsequently, now we're seeing some losses. So that's why I'm just reminding everyone, once you see that market rally, some positive, drop that stop loss in, okay? GBP, and that's some of the reason why we take losses is because we're not Johnny on the spot when the market rallies. We don't get our stop loss in time. And so that's why we experience losses. Okay, so that's why I'm reminding you. Remember, once you see that market rally, pull some money off that account and pay and drop that stop loss in. GBP, NZD. This is another buy market. We had our buy order in. It never even hit our buy order. The market has continued to pull back on us. It never triggered. So we just have to wait and see. This is still a buy market, so we're just going to hold our trade open. NZD, CAD. Okay, so friends, this was a market we bought a long time ago, long time ago, and we're just paying ourselves off of this buy market. Now, for everyone else who did not get into this market, rule number 3 is in effect: no buy, no sell. NZD, CHF. This is a sell market. We sold it. We're paying ourselves. Stop loss is in at our entry point. Okay. NZD, JPY. Rule number 3 is in effect. NZD, USD, another rule number 3 market. Now we're going to look at the Dow Jones Index, which is also another rule number 3 market. And the S&P 500 is also a rule number 3 market. US Tech Index is also another rule number 3 market. And we have a lot of rule number markets that we're not in because of rule number 3, but that is just for our protection. Things are And these particular markets, things are very, very erratic. So the market is just, we're just trying to honor the market and stay out when the market tells us to stay out, when it's just very, very erratic. Okay. And that's what we do. Japan index. Okay. This is a buy market. I believe we had a buy order in. The market pulled back on us, knocked us out. So we're out of this market. But if you want to get back in, do so with a buy stop order. Okay. DE30 index is a buy market. We placed our buy order in. It pulled back a little bit on us. So we're just waiting to see if the market's going to rally for us tomorrow morning. Like I said before, make sure you got that. Once that market starts to rally, go ahead and drop that stop loss and at your entry point, and you pay yourselves. Okay. And then what happens after that doesn't really matter because your trade is protected. Okay, now UK 100 index. This is also a buy market. We have our buy stop order in. Unfortunately, the market has never even hit our order. It's continuing to pull back. So we just have to be patient and wait. Okay, friends, so that will conclude our chart analysis for today. As a reminder, when you see the bigger, one of the reasons we experience those minor losses, those couple of minor losses a month, is that we're not Johnny on the spot with making sure we have our stop loss in at our entry point once that trade takes off. It happens to me, it's probably going to happen to you. So but if you're not Johnny on the spot, the market pulls back. Sometimes we have to take minor losses. So no big deal. We try to limit those oopsies maybe 2-3 times a month. Okay, nothing more. That's why I remind you all the time. So, okay, well, we will be back tomorrow for more daily financial wisdom and trending market analysis.